Okay, Kai, please edit my video really nice. Thank you. Okay, we're finally gonna be fixing the bike today. And to do that, we're gonna have to move the car. New fairings, new headlights. We need to get this bitch back on the road. And of course the car is dead. I'm gonna get a battery charger. Try to start this car. Okay, got myself a jump pack here. Let's hope it starts. A little bit red, I think. Psych, I'm joking. I know what I'm doing, guys. Is this how you do it? There. Is it gonna do something? Am I retarded? If I did a quick battery swap from the SI, everything's lighting up. I hear some noises. I'm gonna try and start this baby girl up. Space I got now. Let's go. Y'all can watch me attempt to move the bike. I'm gonna fast forward this, try to put it right in the middle. Okay. There we go. So one thing I just noticed now, this right here is actually bent. I could try and bend that back. So far, nothing I can see that's really broken was the frame, the headlights, and the fairings, which I got over here. I'm gonna lay it out and then lay out the new frames over here. Here's what the new frame looks like. It's like midnight purple. I don't really know what to say. Fuck with it. It's like midnight purple. Not bad. Looks really good. So I got pretty much all the broken parts laid out here. Fairings all messed up here, but we got the new fairings, like I said. Now let's get that new fairing assembled and start pulling some of this stuff out. When I crashed, it landed on this side, so pretty much everything here, fairing wise, is gone. The other thing that really worried me was this, but I asked someone on one of the forums and it's okay. A little scuff there. And then I do need new tires. That's for summer, of course. In the rear, I definitely need the tires in the rear. These are completely done for. I do need to install a spindle here so I can put the bike right up. But that's for a different video and next time. But yeah, let me get these rear side fairings off. Get this back off. I believe I have to take this off for a new tank cover. Okay, put the Allen key here. Not a 5, it's a 4. I hope it's a 4. And it is a 4. So that's out. Might be just a pull tab. It is a pull tab. And then it looks like these are in a way of me taking it out. So I'm just gonna unplug these as I go and then watch the video back, see where it all goes together. Okay, so what I ended up doing was just remove the 2 Phillips head here. I guess that was the correct way of doing it. Who knows? I don't know. One fucking standard size Allen or a bolt. This is really getting on my nerves right now. 3, 4s, and 5s. Like, just pick one. Get me out. This one out of the way. These 2 in the back. This little dumbass piece. Y'all see that piece of shit? Was there any other bolts I didn't know about? If not, I'll go to my toolbox and get an actual Phillips screwdriver. Oh no, I got it. I don't think that's how you're supposed to do it. Broke that piece off. I don't know if that's really necessary. Let's try not to break this side. That's a little better. I don't know if it'll work like that or not. Slow one second. Oh, steady. Yeah. There we go. Ah, broke it still. God damn it. Let's try not to break this side. Just got a little lock right there for your little thingy. How the hell am I supposed to take that out? Okay, so I did a little bit of Googling. You gotta yank that shit out. It's very, very hard. And then just wiggle it back and forth to get out of that. It's like the clutch cable up here. Just gotta wiggle it, not really wiggle it, but just get it out of there. And it'll come right off. Okay, got the heater working. There's open. A little Christmas gift for myself. Razor blade here. Cut my life into pieces. So here's the new and old headlights side by side. I don't know if I can steal these off of these or not, but I did already take this off. I know it goes somewhere here. I don't know if it's bent or not. I think it's bent, but if it is, I'll just bend it back. But yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna time lapse the whole thing. Just set you guys up right here so you can see the whole garage. And then just do a time lapse. It'll be a lot easier instead of moving the camera back and forth. I have to show you guys something, I'll just record my phone and then edit that in. But yeah.
Three hours later.
Okay, after about almost 3 hours, I got this side on. The side that I went down on. That's the other side I still need to do. But so far, fitment's okay. I ended up using a stock one because I like the logo here, but it is a little scuffed. I did fuck up there. I was putting my bolts there and then I slid and yeah, it scratched up there. But other than that, it's almost done. Okay, I got both sides of the fairing on. I'm just missing the little bottom piece, which is right there. This side's all on. Okay, so bike is all finished here. Oh, it looks really good. Do need a new exhaust. I don't know where the other exhaust went. So I'll get a new one on that. 4 days to fix. Do remember it was crashed here. So yeah, but it's all done, all completed. And then I am gonna do oil change, and then clean chains and get new tires. I'll do that in spring once I'm ready to ride, and I'll take it out. But I'm gonna take it outside, start it up, you know, burn that. New levers. This was broken on the original one. Mirrors all good to go. I might get the stealth mirrors because these looks, I mean, it looks fine, but stealth mirrors will look like 10 times better, in my opinion. Like I mentioned, I need to put this on. I do need to order new ones here for reflectors, so I am gonna do that first. Order it and then put that one. Other than that, it's all done. Okay, I'm gonna pull out the garage. Just give me a second. You can still kind of see the red there, but I don't know, it looks pretty good. I do have a kind of exhaust leak down at the welds there. I plan on getting a new exhaust, so that doesn't really matter. But she looks good. She looks really good. So this is how it looks outside. Don't mind the exhaust, I'll get a new one. But looks good. Like I said, fitment is a little rough, but still pretty good. Like right here, kind of a gap. Try my best to really push that in there, but I can't. When you look like this, you can't see the red, but if you're just walking around, you can't really see the red. I did end up using the OEM one, because it's fit a little bit better. But other than that, looks really good. The gold accent really just ties it all together. Okay, Kai, please edit my video really nice, thank you. Put some audio in there. Okay, this will be my outro right here, okay? I don't know. Okay, this is the end of 2025. Finished the bike. Evo's pretty much done. Like I said, still didn't get a tune on it. I haven't really got a point for it. For 2026, I am gonna be maybe selling the Evo. Not too sure. Subaru will be our next project for 2026. If you have any suggestions on what to do for next videos, or what you guys want to see on the YouTube channel, let me know. I'm still kind of camera shy, so never mind. Okay, peace. Right, so I'm just reviewing the video here. I just got done with the motorcycle. If you're gonna see different type of content, like more vlogs or more fixing stuff or installation, I just got a new camera. Quality, I'm not even sure. You guys can let me know. But I know they have like one video up on my YouTube channel at the moment, but more is coming. I'm just really slow at this stuff. Not that good. Any recommendation in the comments would be really helpful. Thank you guys. Bye.